Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can record Google Meet video call on laptop, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we are going to create a new meeting. Just click over here and then click on create a new meeting for later, or we just want to create an instant meeting. Just click over here, and here actually you can see it will take a couple of minutes, and here I will click all of them and it already been done. Our microphone is uses here, so here you can see it. So if I want to record this one, then Windows 11 by default provided us and recording options. So that for reason I will search here snipping tool. Here you can see this is the platform I'm looking for, so I will click over here. Once I click over here, now here you can see I already selected this record one, so I will just click to the new. Once I click over here, then I will select whole window in that place, and once it's done, then it will just click on start button. Once I click over here, it will start recording from that place, and you can see if I click this one, then the microphone will also work with this recording. This is the easiest process right now. If you are using Windows 11 in your desktop, then you can easily record your Google Meet video call meeting with this platform. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.